Hello?
Always the case.
Yeah. So Lenora, our winemaker, Lauren, our handy person, and we're pretty much filled up. We're actually right now trying to maneuver some things around because some of the fermentations are finished. This one is finished and ready to go. So we're going to start working on that.
Gotcha.
So technically this would be Mars. It's a French grape. Vineyard. So that is this morning's project. And then, so we'll have this, you know, this will be full for another few weeks. And then the rest of the year we pull our bottling line down here, and this is all set up for bottling.
Gotcha.
The Swan neck. The condenser just has, you know, copper coil going down through there. Well, my buddy yesterday,
Tightened it down good, huh?
he'd never used it, done it before. Yeah, he got it on there. Good. Don't need to. There we go.
You got it.
Oh, the hand tighten this stuff. But you know, when you see those stills with all the bells and whistles, you know, like a good Bavarian brandy still, that's all just computerization. It's still the same basic idea, and self-cleaning things. But nothing captures the aroma better than this guy. This is this metal tape is one new technology. They used to stuff bread in there. That's what
right.
the moonshiners would do. They'd make a paste of flour every time. But we can go with another tape on. So then there are our spent pressings. So that's the muscat you just tasted. So we will bucket this out by hand after breakfast, and then load in the Viognier that you saw inside there.